Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out one of the most advanced dash cams available right now, the Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dash cam, built for drivers who want absolute clarity, day and night. This dash cam features Triple STARVIS 2 sensors, which is a huge upgrade over standard sensors. You get true 4K recording from the front, 2.5K from the rear, and full HD inside the cabin, giving you crystal clear coverage from every angle. Whether it's license plates, faces, or road signs, the detail level is extremely sharp. Vantrue also gives you flexible recording modes. You can run 4K plus 1080p plus 2.5K in full 3-channel mode, or switch to dual-channel 4K plus 2.5K for even higher rear clarity. This makes it perfect for daily driving, ride-share drivers, taxis, and long road trips. Night performance is where this camera really stands out. With HDR, IR night vision, and STARVIS 2 technology, it captures bright, balanced footage even in very low light. The interior camera uses infrared illumination, so faces and cabin activity remain clear without blinding glare. The built-in GPS records your speed and route data, which is crucial for insurance claims and legal evidence. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you quickly review and download footage to your phone, and voice control allows hands-free operation while driving. For parked vehicles, the advanced parking mode provides 24-hour monitoring and records impacts or motion when you're away. The camera also supports up to 1 TB microSD cards, meaning you can store days of high-resolution footage without constant overwriting. Overall, the Vantrue N4 Pro S delivers flagship-level performance, reliability, and security, making it one of the best 3-channel dash cams on the market today. If you want professional-grade vehicle protection with outstanding night clarity, this is an excellent choice. Check the Amazon link below to buy it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews.